light, mirrors and reflection. When you stand in front of a mirror, what do you see? You see an image of yourself. This is a reflection. You know what a reflection is. How is a reflection formed? A reflection happens when light strikes a shiny surface and bounces back. A mirror is a shiny surface, so we can see our reflection in a mirror. A shining steel plate can also reflect light well. The surface of water can also act like a mirror. Stand at some distance in front of a mirror and look at your reflection. Take 2 steps closer to the mirror. What happens to the reflection? The reflection moves 2 steps closer in the mirror too. So, the reflection does what you do. Now, move 2 steps away from the mirror. What does your reflection do? The reflection moves 2 steps away from the mirror too. Move to the left, move to the right. Shake your head, do the boogie woogie. Everything you do, your reflection does too. Your reflection does everything you do, but it does it in the opposite way. Look in the mirror and see what the person in the mirror does when you touch your right ear. Raise your left hand, jump up and down, move your hands up and down. Left and right gets interchanged in a mirror, so sides get interchanged. Only the sides get interchanged. The top and bottom remain the same. Hold your science textbook in front of the mirror and try to read the word. Can you? Now, write your name on a piece of paper. Turn the same paper over and trace over the same letters. Hold that in front of a mirror. You can read it properly now. Now you know why they write backwards on an ambulance. When the driver of a vehicle ahead of an ambulance can read ambulance easily and quickly move out of the way. It is the duty of every one of us to allow an ambulance to pass without blocking its way.